Hi, welcome back to part 3 of MS Word Office. So it's basics, of course, and in this we're going to talk about design and page layout. First, in design, we're going to talk about document formatting and page background document formatting. So, document formatting is more like choosing your theme, which has its own style of font, color, and effects. I'm going to show you how it works. For example, there is, let's say, I want to write something up here. Okay, I say hi, and maybe I want to change the texture, how it looks. So whatever that thing is, domestic, or it changes into more like bolded format. And when I put like organic, it changes more like flat. So that's the point of theme. It is more like the font. It is given up here, but it helps you more with selections. It gives you all the selection types. It gives you the random choices that you can choose from here. And there's also colors, so maybe you want to have different colors more than just normal white background or black font. You want to have different colors, and it will give you different kinds of formatting. Okay, and the next one is font. Font is more like the same thing as I showed you in the home, like right here, but it gives you specific options to choose from, like Franklin Galactic or Candera, or more like Arial Black, which makes it simpler. That's the point of more like document formatting stuff, and this is like different, but this is still part of document formatting. So this one actually gives you paragraph spacing. It talks about how much space you want in between each text. So from my picture, and so from my picture and my text high, I want to have some like spacing. So when I say compact, the spacing goes more compact compared to no paragraph spacing. And when I say tight, it's what happens. When I say open, it gives you more open space. When I say relaxed, it's like, when I say double, of course, it gives you double the space. And there are also some effects you can choose from, like grudge, which kind of gives you like a shiny texture, or you could choose from glossy. Like, there are a lot of effects that it is given, and they kind of make your text look way more better and gives you like a general look. And of course, there's set as default option. So if you like some kind of document theme from here, and you want to pick that as your default, just press this button and it will ensure it is selected. Okay, the next one is page background, which is more like watermark, page color, and page border. Okay, let's go to watermark. Here's watermark. Instant page background. So watermark gives you like more like the background of what your document want to be. So if it is more confidential, every document you will see has this confidential text. Or if you want it more like did not copy, it gives you did not copy option. So it's just a general look you will see in most documents. They're called ghost text. Let's move on. So page color. So you could choose from different colors. Some people wanted more ancient. You could choose like yellow or more ancient kind of colors as your page background. For now, I just wanted to be plain white. You could also choose from page borders from here. So it's your option if you want to be box or shadow, 3D. I'm gonna go with shadow. and there are also different kind of styles to choose from, and also what kind of color you want, and the width of each one, if you want any art to it or no. And it also gives an option like where you want to apply it to, like if you want to apply it to like just one section or just one page only, or all except this first page or the whole document. So there it is, that's my page border. Wow. Okay, the next one. So we're going to talk about page layouts. In page layouts, there's page setup, paragraph, and arrange. I mean, this thing is not so important, but I'm still going to talk about it. Okay, and page setup, it kind of allows you to adjust the margins, orientation, and page size, and there's a lot more to discuss. Okay, here's page layout. Okay, there's margins, so whatever your margin want to be, like narrow or moderate or wide or mirrored. Okay, this is a more mirror margin. See, the picture moves when I say narrow, or when I want it more wider. Okay, and there's also orientation. So if you want it like more portrait or landscape, that's landscape. And here's portrait, the normal ones. And also you could change the size if you want it more like legal format or letter or executive format, or just like, you know, A5 cards. There's also columns. You want to divide into like 2 columns, 3 columns. Let me just say 2. You'll see 2 columns up here. I'll show you. Okay, there's a second column. You can see it right there. I'll show you again. So after the page ends, it directs me to the second column, as you can see. So there are 2 columns now. Or if I want it to be 3, you could just select 4. I mean, my bad, 4. Just select 4. So you add to the second column. Yeah, like that. See if I want it more left or right. And also there's page breaks. If I wanted to, like every column I want a page break, or like just separating some text from my object, or if I want a page break every section, or continuously every section, or even page that kind of starts a new section on the next even page, or an odd number of pages. And yeah, that's page setup. And there's paragraph. Paragraph like allows you to indent it more to left or right, or kind of adjust the spacing of the paragraph. So if I want this paragraph, like this kind of format, to be more left, just press it right here. If I want more right, see, I told you high. Now it's like, or if I want more left, I mean more right, my bad. Or if I want this text more left, more left. And also there is space between every paragraph. So if I want more spacing before, I would just select this. If I want more spacing after, I would select this. It just depends. And yeah, arrange. I forgot to talk about that. So arrange is more like talking about pictures. So if you want to position where you want to arrange your picture to, like more like to the right, or more like to straight, or more like to the left, I mean right, or middle left, or middle right. Just depends. And there's also wrap text, which kind of helps you go text through this picture. Okay, let me change the color. Wrong color. Okay. Oops, my bad. Let me change the color again. Okay. You can see the text up here right now. I mean, it's more visible, and you can also see the text, which is going through the picture. So that's the point of the wrap text. More confusing, but when you start using it more, helps you. And there's also bringing forward the picture, or bringing it to the front, more like to the front, or you can also more like sending it to the back, or sending it backwards. And there's also aligning your one, like you want to align more to the left or more to the right, more to the middle, same like position, but allows you to have more options. And last but not least, there's rotate. Rotate is like rotating it right 90 degrees or left 90 degrees, flip vertically or flip horizontal. Yeah, that's the point of the page layout. It's not more just how you want to arrange your text. And thank you for watching this.